Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. Today is a very special video where I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. Today I splurged. I saw it. I had to try it. Mother Pat McGrath, you did it again. You brought out another stunning palette, and this is the Utopian Mothership 9 Utopian Dream Artistry Palette. Look at this packaging. It is spectacular. My box came a little damaged, so that's kind of a bummer, but what's inside is just as more important than what is outside. And of course it looks like that, and it's got all the shade names listed there. Bam, spectacular. Bam, I've been swatching this bitch. I've been using it and I really dig it so far. So far so good, so beautiful. And you know what I love to do here. If you've been here before, if you're new, then I love to do magic swatches. So with no further ado, magic swatches. Bam! That's right. All the swatches here. It starts here with a very beautiful pale shade. You can see the little shimmer. And then it goes all the way up to here. And there's some beautiful topper shades. And they're hardly visible because they are toppers. They're not fully pigmented, but they are spectacular. And I will be using them today with a look from the Utopian Palette, and I'm very excited about it. A lot of people think that it's not very different from a lot of the stuff that she's done before, but this color story just really, it's my language. It speaks my words to me, speaks words to me. Like, please use me very much. I'm a sad palette without any friends. I'm sure this palette would have a lot of friends if it was released in the wild. But it's here with me today, and I'm going to start by taking this color here on a big fluffy brush. Bam, pigmented. And put it in the crease. And that color is Secret Eden. It is beautiful. It is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And that leaves me wanting more. So I'm going to go in next with this color, which is Extreme Plum Noir. This is just beautiful. I'm loving this palette. Next, I'm going to do a shimmer on my lid. I'm just going to do a real simple, let me blend that up a little. I can never get my eyes even. Let's get a fluffy brush. These colors just are blending like a dream. So pretty. I'm going to take this first shade, which is Skin Show Nude Ecstasy. I'm going to put it on my lid. And it is gorgeous. And it's the first shimmer I've used. I've been using the matte. And that is lovely. Now I'm going to take a topper shade, which is these, oh, you can tell which ones the toppers are. They're the sheer ones. And I'm going to do something with this color, which is Astral Amethyst Moon. So I've got it on a little brush here. And it really just transforms the whole look. Look at that sheer sheen. It is beautiful. Now we are going to close the palette and do liner and mascara, and I will be right back. And voila! What a beautiful look. I feel so special. I wasn't going to do anything special today. I was just like, I'll just do a little quick get ready. But man, this didn't take a long time to build this look, and it is just spectacular. And I feel like I need to do like a little nude moment on my lip to not take away from anything. So I'm going to be using number 65 from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink in Seductress, which is like my go-to nude lip, really. I barely even use my Jeffree Star anymore. And it's just a beautiful look, and I'm super happy with it. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.